Hello, Redhead Forester here, and with Mean Green 1995. Oh god, it's really overexposed. Okay, I'm going to be microwaving some stuff, so there's that nice microwave which I found, and yes, extra special feature, glass falls off the door when you shut it. Okay, so I've got a pile of stuff to microwave here and probably some other stuff elsewhere. 5 boxes of matches, there's 220 in each average, so 1,000 matches, woo! Tin of spaghetti, tin of baked beans, some furniture polish, some grease that I found in a skip, rechargeable battery and some other batteries, so we'll see how it all goes. So first up, 1,000 matches. Alright, so we've not got any spinny thing in here anymore because it just kind of melted away, and yeah. Kind of.
Well, yeah, as in it did.
Yeah, that's a load of stuff from when that happened. So, I don't know, should I stack them like that, or like I could just kind of do a thing?
Yeah, no. But maybe interesting to put it as a tower, because it'll sort of burn down.
It'll probably be really good if it actually catches fire.
The only thing is you've got to be
Oops, I've not been pointing
at
at
the
the
right
thing.
position in the microwave.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right, how long do I put it on for then?
Just put it on for 90 minutes.
90 minutes.
Or whatever.
Oops, 90 minutes. Right. Set that going. Just move that around a bit. There you go. You can see a bit better now.
Just got to burn. Just take a lot longer because of the glass, isn't it?
Yeah. Actually, will it? Because it just has to heat up the matches. The question is, will it do anything, or will it just kind of die? That'd be unfortunate.
Is that an insect?
Oh god, there's a moth in the microwave! Silly bugger.
More fuel.
Oh dear, I feel bad for that moth now. Should we just let him out? Come on, you stupid bugger.
Like, severely internally damaged.
Oh, come on, stupid thing. Out. There we go.
Probably already like...
Did you see the light flicker when I turned that on? The thing is, this camera cuts off at 2 gigs of video, so
How much is it recording?
it takes about it takes over 20 minutes to get to 2 gigs. So.
I looked at the light bulb and now I'm dazzled and can't see the matches anymore.
Oh, I can smell the matchboxes. Yeah, we've got kind of this really bright light the moths absolutely love. Oh god, let's try again. They're always kind of flying into it and killing themselves. Presumably, but yeah, that's quite hot.
Oh, so that's burning, so
Just realised I was saying all that and pointing at something to related recording. Oh my god. Well, there's a thing.
That was only one bot.
We'll keep that going then.
Look, it's the bottom one. Look, it pushed the tower over.
Yeah. Oh my god. How about that then? That was pretty good. Just the one. Oh god, the next one's on fire. This could be really good.
Damn, you should have left that moth in there.
Nah, poor thing. I've got one in my top.
Yeah, but the moth is already cooked inside.
Oh, that's not a moth.
It will die very shortly, possibly cooked.
Well, they'll die shortly anyway. God, look at how much smoke's coming out. You can't see it in the black sky. It's probably kind of beneficial having that,
Bits of circuit water.
yeah, sparking. Ooh!
The muscle brace is
Yeah, it's getting all sooty. Oh my god! That's that humming is, well, it's doing something. There's my blood on the side of the microwave. Oh. Woo! God, that is so smoky. Oh my god. You can't even see in there anymore. Hopefully not. This is. Whoa! And it died. Is that the microwave completely dead?
Look at the fire inside.
Yeah. Should we just?
You might want to get away from that.
It's not going to blow up.
Well,
Nice.
I'm more concerned about the camera. Actually.
Yeah, we'll leave the camera there because if something happens, it happens. But right, so that microwave might be dead, which would be a bit of a shame.
Maybe we should unplug
Just
it.
check that. I smell burning microwave, I think. It's burning all the paint off. Oh god, it's on fire inside! Oh my god. Okay, that's
Yes, that possibly has died, doesn't it?
It's possible. Now this is where it would be handy to still have the glass on it, because then it'd be easy to put it out.
That hasn't done much, has it?
No. It does kind of dampen it a bit though. That's quite pretty actually. It's kind of like, you know, you can get those fake fire things.
It's starting to smell very poisonous.
Yeah, I suspect it's probably burning all the electronics up. Right, let's sort that out. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, all that gubbins. And in a future video, fixing the microwave. It's actually quite simple once I get down to it, so give that a watch. Redhead Forester, out.